Okay, on this problem you're asked to estimate L4 and M4 on the interval from 0 to 4. Okay, well L4 means we want to subdivide this this region into 4 rectangles, so they're each going to have length, it's b minus a over n, so 4 minus 0 over 4, so that's going to be, this is your n right here, this is n, this is a, this is b, so obviously it's going to be have a length 1, so you're going to have the intervals from 0 to 1, from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, and from 3 to 4, and they're going to have a length of 1. Now, since yours L4, you're going to use as the height of your rectangle the left-hand endpoint. So you're going to use that endpoint to calculate that area right there. Then you'll use this endpoint to calculate this area. And then on the interval from 2 to 3, you're going to use the left-hand endpoint. It's going to be a bit of an overestimate, isn't it? And then on the interval from 3 to 4, you're going to have a bit of an underestimate. Okay? So it's, remember, it's delta x times the sum of the function value at the point that you choose, which is going to be, in this case, f at 0 plus the function value at 1 plus the function value at 2, and then plus the function value at 3. Right? Our delta x here, of course, is just 1 because that's the length of the interval. And then f at 0, let's see, it looks like it's about, I guess I would estimate that to be about 0.25 or so. It's clear that f at 1 is 1, f at 2 is 2.5, and then f at 3 looks like it's, let's see, f at 3 is 2. And so our area then is going to be, let's see, just 45.75 or so. Okay, now M4, they also want M4. So that's using the midpoint. So the length of your interval is still going to be 1, but what you're going to use, and so I'll just erase all of these, is the midpoint of each subinterval. So you're going to use this value as your y value for the height of the rectangle. And then the midpoint between 1 and 2 is 1.5, and that's going to be the height of the rectangle that you're going to use. Between 2 and 3, you're going to use 2.5, and that'll be the height of the rectangle you'll use. Oops, I didn't do that one quite right, because we just want to get to the height of the curve at that point. So just about right here, whatever that is. And then between 3 and 4 right here will be the height that you're going to use. Okay, and so let's see. This first one at f at about 0.5, it looks like we have a value of 0.5 or so. And at the function value at 1.5 is exactly 2. Now the function value at 2.5 looks like it's probably about, I don't know, 2.75 or so. And then the function value at, or maybe not, let me see. Now this would be 2.5, so maybe 2.25. That's a little better. And then the function value at 3.5, it's almost the same really. It looks about the same. So I would say the y value there is also 2.25. So let's add these up. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, and it looks like it's going to be 7 times 1, which is still 7. Okay, so just getting the function values at either the left-hand endpoint of the subinterval or the midpoint of the subinterval.